viewers, welcome to Fahmina's creation. Today I'm going to show you how you can decrease single crochet stitch. So before I have shown you how to decrease double crochet stitches but not single crochet, so today I'm going to show you that. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button. If you have already subscribed me, please like and share this post. So I'm just going to do some chain spaces and single crochet, and then for next row I will show you how I decrease my single crochet stitches. So now I'm going to show you how we can decrease. In the previous row we've done all the we've done single crochet stitches, no decrease. So in this row I'm going to do all the decreases. So in the first one I've just done two chain spaces which is the same size of a single crochet. So and this chain space is for these two chains, so I'm not going to touch this. From the next space I'm going to create the decreases. So to create the decrease for single crochet stitch, I'm just going to put my hook through the chain space, pull up a loop, and then I won't finish here. I will go to the next chain space and pull up another loop, and then I will turn yarn over and then pull through all three loops. So this is my first decrease. You can see that here you can see 1 and 2 single crochet. So stitch from there in this one we only created one single crochet. So this is our first decrease. I'm going to show you again. Now we are going to decrease these two single crochet stitch. We are going to make them into only one single crochet, even though there are two single crochet in the previous row. So I'm going to put my hook through the chain space, pull up a loop, then I won't finish the single crochet just yet. I'll go to the next chain space and pull up another loop. So there will be 3 loops in my hook at that time. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that's it. Another decrease is created. You can see that this single crochet and this single crochet were 2 single crochet in the previous row, but they combined into one single crochet only in this row, second row. So let me repeat it few more times. So I've done all my decreases here. Can you see? So I started with 13. Started with 13 single crochet, and let's see how many I've got. The first and second last one I haven't done any decreases. I've only done regular single crochet, and for the remaining stitches I have done the decreases. So let's see how many. We started with 13 single crochet, and after doing decreases throughout this row, let's see how many chain spaces we've got now. How many single crochet do you have now? First and last one I didn't do any decrease, so that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So from 13 we've created 6 decreases and 2 stitches are not decreased, so total we got 8 stitches only in this row. So I'm sure you by now you got the idea of how to do the decrease, and you found this tutorial useful, and you're going to apply this in your next project. So thanks for watching the tutorial with me. Hope you enjoyed it. So please like and subscribe me for more tutorials like this, and bye for now. Take care.